In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for individuals to earn income from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income, pursue a passion project, or establish a full-fledged online business, there are numerous avenues available for making money online. From leveraging your skills as a freelancer to tapping into the vast potential of e-commerce, the possibilities are virtually endless. In this guide, we'll explore 21 diverse and proven methods for generating income online, ranging from freelance work and online tutoring to affiliate marketing and cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, there's bound to be a suitable option that aligns with your interests, skills, and financial goals. Don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of online entrepreneurship and remote work. Number 21. Freelancing. Freelancing entails offering your skills and services to clients remotely. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with potential clients seeking your expertise. Number 20. Online tutoring. Become an online tutor and teach subjects you're proficient in to students worldwide. Platforms such as VIPKid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors facilitate this by matching you with students seeking help in various subjects. Number 19. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, data entry, or customer service. Number 18. Content creation. Create engaging content through blogging, YouTube videos, or podcasts. Monetize your content through advertisements, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing to generate income. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Number 17. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn commissions for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through blogs, social media, or email marketing. Number 16. Sell products online. Start an e-commerce store on platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon to sell physical or digital products to a global audience. Number 15. Dropshipping. Build an online store without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Number 14. Print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them through print-on-demand platforms. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped directly to them. If you're eager to quit the 9-to-5 hamster wheel, make sure you subscribe so I can keep creating more content like this. Number 13. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or focus groups to share your opinions on products and services. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Respondent offer rewards or compensation for your time. Number 12. Stock photography. Sell your photos online to stock photography websites. Submit high-quality images to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images to earn royalties whenever your photos are licensed or downloaded. Number 11. Remote customer service representative. Work remotely as a customer service agent, assisting customers via phone, email, or chat. Companies often hire remote agents to handle inquiries, troubleshoot issues, and provide support. Number 10. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses or individuals. Create content, engage with followers, and grow their online presence through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Number 9. Website flipping. Buy, improve, and sell websites for a profit. Look for undervalued websites, improve their design or content, and sell them on platforms like Flippa to earn a higher resale value. Number 8. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Share your expertise in a particular subject and earn passive income from course sales. Number 7. Remote software development. Offer your programming skills to develop software, websites, or mobile apps for clients remotely. Freelance platforms or networking can help you find projects matching your skills and expertise. If you can't wait to achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms, hit the like button. Number 6. Transcription. Transcribe audio files into text for businesses, researchers, or content creators. Good typing speed and accuracy are essential for this role, and platforms like Rev or Transcribe offer opportunities for transcriptionists. Number 5. Remote bookkeeping. Provide bookkeeping services to businesses from home using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Tasks may include invoicing, payroll processing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Number 4. Virtual event planning. Plan and coordinate virtual events such as webinars, conferences, or workshops for businesses or organizations. Utilize online platforms like Zoom, Eventbrite, or Hopin to host and manage events remotely. Number 3. Language translation. Translate documents, websites, or content for clients who require multilingual services. Fluency in multiple languages and proficiency in translation tools are essential for this role. Number 2. Virtual event hosting. Host online events like webinars, workshops, or live Q&A sessions for businesses or individuals. Engage with participants, facilitate discussions, and provide valuable content to attendees. Number 1. Cryptocurrency trading or investing. Buy, sell, or invest in cryptocurrencies to potentially generate profits. Research the market, analyze trends, and make informed decisions to capitalize on opportunities in the volatile cryptocurrency market. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken facilitate cryptocurrency trading and investing. Thank you for tuning in and exploring these lucrative online money-making opportunities with us. If you want to know how to get millions of views on your YouTube channel for free, make sure you click the video showing on the screen right now.